Hello guys, welcome to Reparation Technology. Well, uh, now I am going to show you how to assemble LCD Samsung Galaxy G5 2017 model. I hope you will find a lot of videos on YouTube, but I will show you the best way to assemble the LCD so that after assembling it won't be it won't be open again. So there are some technique. Hope that will help you a lot. Here you see the LCD. There are already a coal. Okay, this is service pack original LCD. Okay, I'm going to show you. You see here are some coal. Okay, and in the body here are some coal, but they are not enough to keep it like original strong. So what we have to do, there is a coal, it's called B7000. We are going to use this little bit here to make the LCD very strict and strong, so that it won't be disconnect again. Okay, that's good. Okay, normally after you use this coal you have to wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's better. Okay, now I'm going to connect this. Okay, that's it. And after that what you have to do, put some punch here to cool it perfectly, but make sure so that it cannot cross this part. If you cross here, the LCD will be broken. Okay, in this part what I prefer, to put some scotch. Okay, that's the way, and leave it about 15 to 30 minutes, so it will be very it will be cool, it will be connected with the body perfectly. Thank you so much guys, see you soon with the next video.